subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Laszlo and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an amazing sleight of hand move which is actually used to do a double lift from the center of the deck. While you are riffling down the side of the deck and your spectator calls out stop at any point they want and you need to do a double lift, this is the move that you need to learn. So without any further ado, let's look at the performance. After that, we are going to watch the tutorial.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Rishabh Chopra. Follow him on Instagram, link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is how the move looks like. First of all, you have a deck of cards and your spectator can call out stop at any point they want while you're actually riffling down the side of the deck. So let's say that they call out stop at this point. So we're going to take out the card from over there, and that is the 8 of diamonds. But this is not just a single card. It looks like that I've taken out one card, but I've actually taken out two cards as one. And this is a very useful move in Magic to do a double lift from the center of the deck. This is called the Dr. Jekyll double lift, and now you're going to learn how to do this move. Okay guys, this is how the move is done. First of all, you're going to hold the deck just like this in this grip with your thumb over here, your index finger over here, and the rest of the 3 fingers over here. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to curl your index finger to the bottom of the deck, and then you're going to start riffling down the side of the deck. And after that, when your spectator calls out stop at any point they want, suppose let's say at this point, you're just going to come over here and you're going to press down not on the tip but over here with your thumb and a little bit away from the tip, and you're going to use your index finger to pull this corner of the packet. And as you do that, you create a lot of space, and then what you're going to do is you're going to leave 2 cards from over here, like 1 and then 2. And if you do this move fast, then these 2 cards are going to hit right over here of your index finger, just like this. See, let's say the spectator calls out stop at this point, 1, 2. So as you do like this, you have 2 cards over here, and what you're going to do at this point is you're just going to come over here with your middle finger. You're just going to grab this card, the corner of these 2 cards together, and then as you pull this out, you're actually making this card rotate against this side of your finger, just like this. Okay, now as you are in this point over here, just like this, you're ready to rotate the card out. What you're going to do is you're just going to rotate the card out, and at the same point of time you're also dropping the top packet on it, because you don't need this top packet anymore. You don't need this top packet to be lifted up, and you can slide these 2 cards from between the from the center of the deck just like this, and you can slide them out just like this. And as you come up to this position, you don't immediately take the card out from the center of the deck. You use your thumb just to hold over here, get a grip over here at this corner of these 2 cards, and then what you are going to do is you're just going to push your thumb outside, which is going to let these 2 cards out from the deck without actually spreading them apart, just like this. So what you're going to do is when you're at this point, you're just going to just push these 2 fingers just like this away from the deck, and this is going to cause these 2 cards to come out just like this. And now you're in the perfect position of doing the double lift. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do the turnover. So you're going to strike this corner of the card just with this finger over here. You're going to just do like this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to strike it over here, and as you strike over here, the card actually rotates 180 degree, and it actually shows the face of the second card, not the top card. So this is the second card, but afterwards when I actually turn it, the top card is different. So that was a double lift. And the problem that you're going to face sometimes is this one. While you're actually going to just turn the card over just like this, sometimes the card will turn 360 degree and again land with the card face down just like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep this card close over here to the top surface of the deck, and then you're going to just hit it. So as you hit this card rotates just like this, and this corner actually hits the top surface of the deck, and as it hits the top surface of the deck, the card actually stops rotating at that point. And this is how you can actually perfect your turnover so that your card does not actually rotate 360 degrees and land at the same point. So this is how you actually do the double lift, and the only key to its perfection is practicing, and do practice it in front of a mirror a couple of times until and unless you get it done very much correctly, and then you go out in public to use this move. So that was the entire tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing technique called the Dr. Jekyll double lift. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @Shol_Zari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.